Oh, Blue just skidooed. Hey, let's go see where Blue's skidooing to today. Let's go. Hey, Blue just skidooed right into Goofy Goober's ice cream party boat. Let's go. Blue skidoo, we can too. Whoa, check this place out. Oh, let's go look around.
A clue! A clue!
Huh? Ice cream? Well, me and Blue have plenty. Like, you want some?
No, a clue!
Oh, clue. Wait, where is it?
Right there!
Oh, there it is. There's the clue, and it's on that triple Goober berry sunrise. Well, you know what we need? Our handy dandy Goofy Goober styled edition
Notebook!
notebook, right. Okay, a triple Goober berry sunrise. Let's start with a shape that goes like this, and the little line that holds the sundae in the bottom. Then we can draw some weird shapes for the bananas. Then some icing on the top, and the face. And there, a triple Goober berry sunrise. Okay, we have our third clue. Hey, this ice cream. Wait a minute, our last clue. We're ready to sit an hour?
Thinking chair!
Thinking chair, right. Let's go.